I'm very excited. My golf game needs a little cleanup, and by that I mean my golf clubs, my golf balls, and shoes are always getting dirty because, you know, you're hitting the ground, you've got, you know, after a whole game, might need to clean things up. And we just received by EzyAce for our review this really cool set. It does come with this towel. That's really nice towel there. And check this out. This is so cool. This here, you put water in there. So super simple. Water is actually right in here, and it's got a nice brush, and it's leak proof as well. So a nice brush in there. Water's not just putting out. If I press on that, then water is going to spurt out. So let's start with the first thing. This is the product. This is what you need to actually spray on the surface of your club, just like that. Then, this is so cool, then you use the brush to just, oh boy, I should have done this ages ago. And then all you do is, this is going to be cool. A little bit of water, use a towel, and look at the club. Like new. What I really like is that you can also use this for your handle. Sometimes they get sticky, sometimes, you know, they get dirty, and you can do the same thing, brush the handle. You can do the same thing for your golf shoes on the side when they get all, like, you know, obviously green, dirty, full of grass. Just use that brush. It's a really nice sturdy brush, really easy to use. But the really cool thing is that you can attach all of this to your golf bag. So it's coming with you along your golf game, and so is your towels as well. I mean, super cool. I'm very excited. I'm gonna go clean up the entirety of my golf clubs and my golf bag and my golf balls. I mean, this thing is going to follow me everywhere. I love it.